Identity. The name is Tamirul Millat Tongi campus. This campus has given me so much in life. It has given me friends, teachers, and many wonderful people who will always stay in my memory. There were days when class felt boring, were times when we wait for the tiffin break, struggle with listen and face the strict rule of our teachers. The classes, the campus, and every corner of this place will now live in my memories. Maybe a few years from now, on a quick afternoon, I will pass by this campus looking through a car window. I will see Millat once again. To be honest, the person I am today is the result of the love, support, and guidance of many people. The contribution can never be fully repeated. The words of the Millat song will always inspire me. তুমি দিয়েছ মোরে এই জ্ঞানের আলো, করেছ আমায় চিরঋণী। থ্যাংক ইউ মিল্লাত।